Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and identity. That speeds the entire process. Once done, open the My Airtel app or call 12,199 and choose eSIM replacement. You'll need your Aadhaar or approved ID for verification, so make sure it's accessible. Tap the eSIM request option, enter your active Airtel number, and follow the on-screen prompts to initiate a digital eSIM order. This step creates the activation ticket and moves you to verification and QR delivery. Next, you complete verification. Airtel uses OTP or Aadhaar eKYC depending on your preference. Once verified, the system generates an eSIM QR code sent to your email, SMS, or displayed in-app. Make sure your phone's date/time and operating system are current because the eSIM profile checks those details. When the QR appears, do not switch networks. Stay on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Scan the QR from your phone's cellular settings to download the eSIM profile and begin. After scanning, install the profile and follow prompts to activate. You may be asked to set the eSIM as primary or secondary. Restart the phone to complete provisioning and check signal bars and Airtel network name. If SMS/data don't work immediately, wait a few minutes. Sometimes network provisioning takes time. If activation keeps failing, remove the profile, wait 10 minutes, then rescan the QR. If issues persist, have your request ID and ID ready, and contact Airtel support for manual provisioning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.